All right, we got a little package, a little something. This is something I've been needing for a little while because you guys probably haven't followed or even known, or I probably haven't even told you, but a little backstory to why I got this watch. This clip's gonna look very out of place because, well, this is an evening clip. It's dark out, and I honestly forgot to say it, but my Series 7, which I had before this, I bought in early 2023. Product red, 41 millimeter. You've seen it in some of my videos. It was GPS with cellular too, which is, I guess, cool. But I bought it Amazon renewed, and I got assuring on warranty for 3 years because why not? Why wouldn't you get the warranty? And early 2024, I got a battery replacement because the battery health it wasn't below 80%, but it just wasn't holding a charge. They honored the repaired it. And in August, when I came home from Austin, actually the night before I came home, it broke while on the charger. Like the screen went to static, and let me just show you guys. But the screen literally went to static, looked like this. It happened on the charger, which is the weirdest part. 12 mini, by the way. And if we're being a little coincidental, this was literally the day before I was looking at Apple Watches, just trying on the big ones. I tried on Series 10 gold titanium, which is kind of sad and coincidental. But the screen did that, which I think is due to static electricity. Sent it in to Asurion. They fixed it in 9 days. They put a new screen on it. It worked fine for 3 more weeks, and then it happened again. Also on a charger again. And I sent it back out, mentioned that it was broken, and I requested a new battery because the battery health was low again and just wasn't doing too well. And after them having the watch for 2 weeks, they ended up just honoring a refund / payout where they gave me an Amazon gift card and the value for which I bought the old one, $262. And I bought this for $269 plus warranty plus taxes. So I spent only $90 out of pocket for this watch. So I'm very happy with that. Again, great condition, and I guess we'll be back to the end of the break, I guess, because that was just a yap session at the beginning of the video. And this is finally my replacement because they paid me out with an Amazon gift card. So I got an Apple Watch Series 10, Amazon renewed, and let's unbox it. I was going to get a brand new Series 11, but financially I just decided to get the 10 because it just made a little more financial sense. And if I don't like it, I'll take it back. At least it's got a box. It's a little beat up. At least this one has a box because my last one was also Amazon renewed and came in some kind of not great packaging. Carbon neutral, yay. At least this band's new. I didn't really care about the band I got, but this is the ink band. I would have preferred a sport loop, but most of the sport loops are usually in bad condition, so I'm fine with ink. And I got the jet black. A charger. This is clean. Actually good condition. I'm gonna put the sport loop on it because the sport loop's my favorite band. And let's go ahead and get it set up. It's an authentic Apple band too, which I'm very, very happy about. There we go. I was gonna get the 46 because they had it brand new versus this one they only had used, or I would have had to get a color I don't like, but I'm actually just glad I got this instead. Upside down because I wear my watches upside down. I'm gonna go ahead and rip out the charger and anything meaningful to me. Of course it's got low battery, but I'll just use my 16 as a power bank. I mean, all right, let's go ahead and set it up. Let's see how long this thing is gonna take to update. I love this jet black, so I'm gonna do all this for a little while, so check back in 3 to 5 business days, or for you guys in the next clip.
3 days later.
All right, it's been a week. I've had my Apple Watch Series 10 for a week, and I guess I'll just give my little 1-week review since the last clip was of me unboxing it. I love this watch. I also changed out the band to one of my knockoff sport loops because who in the right mind would pay $50 for a genuine one when you can get a pack of 10 on Amazon for like $10? But this is not a screen one, by the way. But I love this watch. The battery works good. It's like 100% battery health. I just took a shower a couple hours ago, and this is one of my favorite features. 100% still, but there's this double tap feature. You guys probably already know about it, but instead of just saying double tap or being quiet like I should, instead I like to say what you've probably heard: clock it, and I'm not going to scroll any further because Yeah, my town is on here, so not giving that out, but I really like double tap. It's just a nifty little feature. And wrist flick is cool, but I do that normally, so it's really not that appealing. The 40 millimeter size is nice for me. I've always had the small watch because I've always had small wrists, and my first watch was a Series 3 in 2019. I've had small watches since then. It was Series 3 38 millimeter, then SE1 40 millimeter, Series 7 41 millimeter, and now we're at Series 10 42 millimeter. My next one will probably be a large watch, but I like this size for now. This is just a Nike watch face. WatchOS 26, not very exciting. From what I've noticed, there's not really a whole lot of a difference. The biggest difference I've noticed is on the passcode screen. It's liquid glass, and control center, it's a little bit of liquid glass, but otherwise it's kind of just the same thing. They took away some of the wallpapers, which I don't exactly appreciate. And this is the defining one for the Series 11, WatchOS 26 whole deal. Also, totally random. I have my raise to wake off because I can always see the time and I don't actually need to see anything else, and I don't want it to wake up every time I just do this or whatever. If I really need to, I can just tap it, clock it, boom, just like that, and back home. So yeah, the box is sitting somewhere around the room. I did take the charger out, but I just have a charger hooked up to my lamp, surprisingly, in my bedroom. It's just an old USB-A charger, but it works. I just put this thing on the charger when I take a shower. When I get out, it's all good. Otherwise, I really like the jet black color as well. It's very glossy, but I like it because it looks premium, which is almost sad to say at times because it looks premium even though it's technically not premium, but it's still an expensive watch and it looks really nice. Hasn't scratched yet. Mint condition. I'm not looking forward to the day that it does scratch, but for now, I'm just going to be grateful that, it's in such great condition and that it's actually mine and that Shurion paid out my old one. But yeah, that's the watch and a little bit of yada yada yada. This video you'll be seeing this on a Friday. Next Friday, I have a very nice lot video from the summer, which it took me far too long to do, but I finally got it edited, finally got this done. So expect some regular uploads. So I'll have a lot video after this in a week from this coming out. 2 weeks from this, I'll have an iPhone 13 unboxing, and then the weeks after, I'll have a trade. I'll also have two more lots. I have 30 something iPads coming from eBay, which should be here tomorrow, hopefully. Um, that's that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the watch. Enjoy everything. Watch some videos. I could use it. I've been flopping. But thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you want. Have a nice day and peace.